Hey, hi everyone. This is Chiru here. I'm the product manager at ServeCircle. ServeCircle is a software for product sales, services, and repair business. It's a web application or an online software. You can access this software directly from our web URL or our mobile application available at Android Play Store. So all you would need is an account at ServeCircle to get started. So you can register and create your account. Once you create your account, you can log into the account and start using the software. So in this video, we shall have a look at on how to add users to your account and assign roles to them. So I have already created an account at ServeCircle. Let me directly log into the account. So I'm going to type my email ID as the username, and I'm going to enter the password. So once I log into my account, I will land on this admin page. You can see I have already added a branch here, and if I want to add more branch, I can add it from the add branch option available on the top side right corner. So let's directly get into adding the users. So I'm going to click on this settings option, and I'm going to go to the users menu here. So there are two types of users basically, internal users and external users. Internal users are the one who will have login access, like your managers, technicians, the front desk executive, or your receptionist, or the call coordinators for that matter. External users are the one who will not have login access to the application, but any sort of communication that needs to be done, like an email communication or an SMS communication that needs to be done, when you assign any job to them, so then you can add them as external users. It can be your outsourced technicians or any logistics facilitators who will actually help you to pick up devices from the customer location. So those can be your external users. So let us come back and see how to add an internal user here. I'm going to click on this add button. I have to enter the first name, last name, and email ID of the user. I'm going to click on I'm going to enter my name here. I'm going to enter the email ID. You need to enter a specific email ID, different from your login email ID here. The email ID of the user. So I'm going to enter a particular email ID here, and then I have to enter the phone number of the user. Then I have different roles, that can be assigned to this user. So a branch manager will have all the functionalities within a branch. So a branch manager can be a branch manager for a single branch, or he can be a branch manager for multiple branches as well. So you can, as you can see here, a branch manager will can manage the entire branch. He can create job sheets. He'll be able to close the service. He will be able to do billing and delivery of the product. He'll be able to manage stocks at the branch. So he will have all the permissions within a particular branch. Then comes the front desk personnel, or the call coordinator, or you can or the receptionist. So a receptionist will be able to create the job sheet. They'll not be able to close the service, but they'll be able to do billing and delivery of the product. That's the role of the front desk personnel. An engineer and technician can only close the job sheet. They'll not be able to create the job sheet, nor they'll be able to do billing and delivery. An on-site engineer will not be able to create the job sheet, but he'll be able to update the job sheet. He'll be able to close it, and also he'll be able to do billing and delivery at the customer location. So these are like currently these are the 4 roles that are available for the users at ServeCircle. So if you're going to create an on-site engineer, let's say you can select one or more branches here. So he'll be an on-site engineer for one or more branches, or he can be a branch manager for one or more branches. So it's totally flexible functionality that is available for you to create users here. And then comes an option wherein you have to show only assigned job sheets to a particular on-site engineer. He shouldn't see all the job cards within a branch, but only the job cards that are assigned to him. In that case, if you just check this, then he'll be able to see only the job cards assigned to him. Restrict this user from seeing other users of the branch. So if you check this, then he'll not be able to see the other engineers working for the same branch. This may not be that necessary, but in case if you feel that and one engineer shouldn't know who is the other engineer who is working for a particular business or a particular branch, you can use this option. However, this user, whether irrespective whether you click this or not, this user will be able to see the branch manager and the admin for that particular branch. So then you can assign a password and confirm the password. You have to set a password for this user and just click create. Then we'll be sending a verification email. I'm just going to click create here. Okay, so I've entered the password. I'm going to click create. Okay, I think I have not. Yeah. So you can see, the verification is pending here. So the verification email is sent to this registered email ID. Once the email ID gets verified, automatically, the user access will get activated, and he can log in using his email ID and the password. He will not have, access to settings, users, business licenses, all these options. Only he'll have access to the branch that you have given access to, and what as per his role assigned to him, he will have permissions within a branch. Okay, thank you very much. So this is all about adding a user, and furthermore, you'll be able to edit or any resend this verification email from this option. So with that, we'll conclude this quick session on how to add the users to your account and manage them. Thank you very much and have a good day.